Hoi miteinander. Oh, ich habe gedacht, mittlerweile haben wir doch schon ein paar Haustiere hier im Drieschta oben und somit ist es Zeit mal für ein Haustier Special. Ja, gell, Fena? Und genau im richtigen Moment. Ja, genau. Also Fena findet es auch. Gell, Fena? Definitiv Zeit für ein Haustier Special. Ja, gell, ich würde auch sagen. Also, in dem Fall geniessen es. Ich hoffe, es gefällt euch.
Everywhere my friends are all around me, and it's my guess that they are with you too. If you wanna keep them being friendly, treat your friends as you'd like them to treat you. Well, who are all these friends I hear you asking? Right now it feels like I am all alone. But friends are always right there when you need them, making up this place that we call home. Well, let me introduce you to some of my good friends, and you may recognize them as someone whom you depend. Oh, there's the trees and the bees, the rivers, you and them and me. You'll find friends in unexpected places, plants, animals, and other people too. In real life more than in cyberspaces, and friends don't always look or think like you. To be a good friend, here are some things that you need: honesty and loyalty and all the cups of tea. Oh, with the trees and the bees, the rivers, and everything you see. That's right. We're all friends. Bacteria. We're all friends. Eukaryotes.